Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. This is Amy from With Love by Amy, and today is day 23 of the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar series. All right, so really quick, we're going to do the reveal. And yes, I'm getting much better at finding them because there's only a couple left. So there's day 23, and it is more dies. And it looks like these are words. Yes, words. So they are thinking of you. That's really cool. I do love the words with a shadow. Those are awesome. So I don't know if this was a bad move or what, but I decided I was going to do darker colors and like a sympathy type of card. I don't know. I guess maybe it doesn't necessarily have to be sympathy, but I took the, I'm taking the flowers from whatever day they were earlier, the flower dies, and we're going to make them out of 3 different colors of gray, grayish, bluish colors. And then we're going to make the sentiment and the shadow out of a light gray and a dark gray. And there we go. We got them all die cut out. And I did 3 big flowers, like one of each different color of cardstock, and 3 little, the medium, and then 3 the small. And we're just going to mix and match the flowers. But we are taking forever to poke all the pieces out of the words, apparently. Yes, here we go. These words are so, like, dainty and delicate. I love them, but they're kind of tedious, I guess. I'm just used to, like, bigger things, more like the Kathy Zilski word dies and stuff. Those are more my preferred. Like, if I was in the store purchasing them, that would be my preferred size of words. But these are really cool. I like them. I like the scriptiness and stuff of these. And the shadow definitely is something that's currently on my repertoire of things that I purchase. So I spared you the boredom of watching me die cut all those. And here I am, super speed, assembling all these flowers. And instead of cut that teeny little circle out of a different color to do the center of all the flowers, I am going to, and just so you know, this took me forever to figure out which arrangement to put these in, like the flowers and the sentiment and stuff. And yeah, I got glue everywhere. Hope it dries good. This is like a shimmery black cardstock. And I think it's from Hero Arts. I don't know. I got like a pack of 5 sheets of it or something. And I love it. It's really cool. It's hard to capture it on camera. Like, it really doesn't show up at all. Like, I've tried so many times to get good pictures of it, and it doesn't work. But yeah, I did the black Nouveau drops for the centers of the flowers. And I'm being very careful here because the Nouveau drops aren't dry yet. As you will see in a moment, I put my finger in one of them. Whoopsie. But I still figure out how to fix it. So yeah, we're rearranging, and then I get right there. I get Nouveau drop on my finger. So yeah, I have to fix it up after. Yeah, there I am trying to like tap it flat again after I fixed it because it made it all pointy, and it turned out so good. But you know what I did? Because they always say that the Nouveau drops work the best if they're warm, so I put it in the warmest part of my body for a few minutes while I was crafting, and they came out really nice. Like, they were beautiful, beautiful little dots. All right, so we are going to make a card base for this, and it is an A2 size card. And we are still being very careful because Nouveau drops still not dry, but I don't want to wait because at this point in time, I'm down to the wire in my assembling all the crafting things. So after we glue this down, I'm just trying to make sure that it fits properly because I don't want to have to trim the card base or card panel after I'm done. So we're just being really careful. And because the Nouveau drops aren't dry, we're putting the glue on the card base, and we're going to stick the card panel on the front. Yeah, see, I tried to fix the Nouveau drops, and I got it all over my glue thing. And then I put it on the back of the card panel thing there. So, yeah, very carefully sticking this on, Trying not to mess up my Nuvo drops again, because I did get it fixed pretty well. And we're going to strategically place the blocks on there so that it gets weighed down so that it dries nice and flat, because the black cardstock is a little bit on the thinner side, and it didn't really, like, it started to curl up when I was putting stuff on it. So we want to definitely make sure that dries good. Here's the finished product. Let me know what you think of my darker colors for this card. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. And don't forget to come back tomorrow for day 24. Actually, it'll be posted later on this evening. Thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate it when you interact with me. It really helps my channel out. Thanks. Bye.